Hello everyone, welcome to online class of social studies. Today's topic is beware of bad habits. After completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand meaning of habit, types of habit and various effects of consuming alcoholic drinks. Let's begin our topic by understanding the meaning of habit. Habit is any action that we do again and again. So, which means that in our daily life, we do so many actions and activities. If we repeatedly do, which means if we do it again and again, that becomes our habit. Habits are of two types. It can either be good or bad. Good habits are any action that is useful for us, for example, waking up early in the morning, being neat and tidy, etc. Bad habits, on the other hand, are any action that is harmful for us, for example, biting our nails, smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohols, etc. Here are some examples of good habits that you must always follow. First example is exercising daily. When you exercise daily, it will stretch your muscle, it will make you fit and healthy. Another good habit that you must follow is taking bath regularly. When you take bath regularly, it will take out all the germs and smells from your body. Another good habit that you must follow is walking in fresh air. When you walk in fresh air, it will make your mind peaceful and will prepare you for your another activity. Another good habit that you must always follow is you must always trim your nails and make it short, because there are so many germs which are trapped inside your nail, which may get in your mouth and will make you ill. Here are some examples of the bad habit that you must always avoid. First example is biting nails. As I have told you earlier, trimming your nail is a good habit. Even if your nails are trimmed and short, you must always avoid to bite your nails, because all the particles of the nail may get inside your stomach and it will make you ill. Another bad habit that you must always avoid is smoking cigarette. If there is anyone in and around your house who is smoking cigarette, then you must tell them that they should not smoke cigarette, because it may cause various life-threatening diseases. Life-threatening means those diseases which may take our life. Another bad habit that you must always avoid is quarreling. Quarreling with your family members, quarreling with your friend is a very bad habit that you must always avoid. Another bad habit that you must avoid is drinking alcohol. So some of your elders in your house may drink alcohol in the name of festivals, during Dasai, during Holi, but that is a bad habit. It may cause various negative effect for children, small children who are seeing them drinking alcohol, and they may also cause themselves harm by drinking alcohol. It may cause various illness, etc. Yes, dear children, so these are all the examples of bad habits that you must always avoid. As I have mentioned to you, meaning of habit, types of habit, and good and bad habit good habit that you must follow and bad habit that you must avoid. Now let's hear a story about the effect of consuming alcohol. I've told you earlier that consuming alcohol is a bad habit. Now let's talk about the various effects of consuming alcohol through a short and interesting story. So I hope you are going to enjoy this story. Chabilal Mahato lived happily with his wife and two children. He worked in an industry nearby. His children went to school. So, in this picture, towards your left hand side, you can see a happy family of Chabilal Mahato. He lived happily with his wife and two children. He worked in an industry nearby. His eldest son studied in class 4 and his younger daughter studied in class 1. He was a very honest and hard-working person. One evening, his friends took him to a restaurant. They started to drink alcohol. This made Chabilal curious. Curious means he was very eager to know about alcohol and he also tasted it. So when he saw his friends drinking alcohol, this made him curious to know about what is alcohol, what it would taste like, if it is okay to drink it or not. And since he saw all of his friends were drinking it, he thought it was okay to drink alcohol, so he also tasted it. Chabilal gradually began to enjoy It means alcohol, and become habituated to alcohol. Habituated means to do something as a habit. So after drinking for once, he began drinking once, twice, thrice, and he gradually began to enjoy drinking alcohol, and it became his habit. Nowadays, he comes home late at night and quarrels with his wife. Quarrel mean to fight. He no longer takes care of his children. Now, as he is always hanging around, being around his friends who are drinking alcohol, he comes home late at night and he often fights with his wife. And as a result, he is no longer taking care of his children. So you can see his children are very sad and they are crying. So now, after drinking alcohol, he has been diagnosed with a life threatening disease. He is unable to go to work, he has no money left for his treatment, he is suffering from lot of pain. Sadly, he was the only earner in the family. Earner means a person who earns money. Because of his action, his family is finding it very difficult to survive. So as he is spending all his earning in alcohol, and now he has been diagnosed with a life threatening disease, he has to pay for his illness also. So there is no food in family, he is unable to buy proper food for his family. His children are also dropped out from school because he could not pay their fees. So in this picture towards your right left hand side, you can see Chabilal's family before alcoholism. They are all happy. It's a happy family. He is taking care of his children. His children are studying something. And towards your right hand side, you can see after alcoholism. Alcoholism means habit of consuming alcohol. After alcoholism, his family is very sad. They are moving away from their house, maybe because his house is being sold for his cancer treatment. So Chabilal's family has suffered a lot due to alcoholism. In our society also, whoever is drinking alcohol, he may become habituated of drinking alcohol, and which may create various negative effects towards his family also and towards his society also. So dear children, I hope you have understood that habit of consuming alcohol, that is alcoholism, creates so much trouble. Now let's talk in detail about the effects of consuming alcohol. So there are 4 points over here mentioned, which shows you the effects of consuming alcohol. The first effect is it makes a person dizzy and lazy. Dizzy means unable to think something. So under the effect of alcohol, a person becomes unable to think properly and he becomes extremely lazy to do something also. The second effect is consuming alcohol may cause disease. As in the case of Chabilal, in the story before, you have seen that Chabilal is suffering from life-threatening disease because of the consumption of alcohol. So, it is clear that alcohol causes various diseases which are life-threatening. Life-threatening means it may take our life. Another effect of consuming alcohol is another influence of alcohol, a person becomes angry and cruel. And cruel means he has a tendency of fighting with everyone. He doesn't care about others' feeling. He just wants to fight. Okay, so if a person is under the influence of alcohol, he becomes very angry and he is always ready to fight with anyone who is around him. And the fourth effect of consuming alcohol is drinking and driving may cause accident. When a person drinks something, we have known that he or she becomes dizzy. Dizzy means unable to think properly, unable to see clearly. So that may cause accident also. So students, I hope you have understood various effects of consuming alcohol. Here are some questions given for you to do properly. I hope you'll do it in good handwriting and upload it in Seesaw. Thank you, dear children. Stay safe. Bye bye.